Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I haven't uploaded a video yet, but I'm gonna try to be consistent. Cause why? I know I've not been giving out value that much. But listen, guys. On this specific video today, I'm gonna show you guys 5 websites you can make up to $100 or more. Listen, man. Listen. You definitely want to check out this video. Cause why? It is just something you want to know. And all those websites, they're brand new, just like came out, and they actually most of them have apps, so you can actually put them on your phone and make money daily on a daily basis. So make sure you stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, because I bring out videos like this, how to make money, how to get free websites, and free installs for paid ads and paid stuff that you have to pay for. I'm that guy because I like to hack. I like to do stuff like that. It's so cool, and I like to just give out value to people out there who basically want to get stuff for free, money, whatever, just for free. Now make sure you stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get to this video. Alright guys, let's get into this 5 websites you can make up to $100 a day. Now, let me get into this. Now let me just say this. If you guys want to know the software that I'm using to record my videos, make sure you comment down below, screen recording or something, so I can basically make a video where I basically tell you guys go in depth of the screen recorder I'm using to record this video. Yeah, let's get into it. As you guys may see right now on my computer, the first website is called Lime. Now Lime is a scooter service. Now basically all you do is basically charge up scooter. Now they have an app for Android and they have an app for the iOS. So it's basically you can make good amount of money basically charging up scooters a day. I mean, not even a day. You can be doing it for the rest of, I don't know how long you want to do it, but you can make good amount of money. It's like a, look at that, look how good these scooters are, man. Look at this, you can make good amount of money. I don't know, I feel like on the internet there's always new stuff that always comes out to make good money, man. Oh man, I don't know, people always get stuck to working in 9 to 5. Yep, nah, it's just that true, bro. There's so many ways out there to make money. But guys, you can see right here, you can charge up. They have a Lime e-scooter. They have a Lime e-scooter, SF bike. They have a Lime bike smart pedals. See, they have all these. You can make good amount of money. You just charge them up, and then you basically just put them in the street. And then everyone downtown a couple days ago, and I actually saw people were charging it. And they actually when they finished charging in the morning, they just came and just leave it down there. And people actually, these college students were just riding around, paying good amount of money just to use a scooter. And you get paid, man. Won't that be nice? You actually making money for just basically being around, just collecting freaking scooters and just charging them in your car. Or you can just charge them at home and just bring a bunch of them in the street and make good amount of money. Now you can make potentially up to, I think, $15 to $20 per scooter charging. So just think about it. If you charge 100 scooter a day, how much money you can make good amount of money. Now my second website, and now as I said before, they have an app. This app is actually fantastic, and what you can do is right here, join us via charge scooters. Now you see right there, you make good amount of money. Now my second website you need to check out is right here. It's called ClearVoice. ClearVoice is like, it's like iWriter. iWriter basically pays you to write our content for big brands. Like let me show you guys what brands we talking about. We're talking about big brands. We're talking about, look at it, LifeLock, Cabela's. I don't know what company is that, but Cabela's. But listen, guys, they have insurance. Insurance. I've heard of them. They're pretty good company and a big company to a big brand, and also Carfax right there. So they actually pay you to write our content for these big brands out there, big brands that you're actually familiar with, so you can actually make good amount of money. Now, if you're a professional writer, you're good at English, you're good at grammar, and basically you can make good amount of money just basically writing content daily for this website. Now they will pay you good amount of money. Depends also on your writing skills. If you have a poor writing skills, you don't get paid that much. But listen, I'm gonna also leave a tool down in the description where you basically use that tool to basically helps you out with your writing, so you can basically make good amount of money. It doesn't matter how bad your writing skills, you can still make good money with this software. And also you can just write content, and then you can also use your voice. If you don't want to be typing, if you hate writing and typing, you can just basically use your voice to basically tell a story or write what you got to write about. But as I was saying, now let's move to a third website right here. You can make up to $100 per day being on the website right here. It's called Testing Time. Testing Time. I know you have heard of it. I don't know who haven't actually heard of a web for of of this website right here, Testing Time. Testing Time basically pays you to basically do surveys, just reviewing products in general, physical products. You can actually review them at your house and make good amount of money. Listen, man, don't be stuck to your 9 to 5 and feel uncomfortable. Cause listen, let me just tell you right now, your 9 to 5 is an employment. Cause why? You can get fired any minute from now. You can get fired. Like your 9 to 5, you're not secure from your 9 to 5. But if you have a business, like entrepreneurship or something that you can basically, that's your business right there. Listen, that's yours. A 9 to 5, you can get fired. Mister, the one who got the company be like, oh, I want you out of here. I don't think your services are needed anymore. Yes, that's how crucial the work can be. So let me just say this: start your own very own business. You can just start up little by little and then grow years to go. But listen, man, as I was saying, Testing Time basically pays you to test out products, and they're looking for testers right here. As you can say, to become a tester, click that, you sign up, and it's that easy, man. You're gonna get emailed when they have something for you to test out or products they want to ship to your house so you can make test them out. That's how easy it is for you to make money, man. And listen, if you like my content, you like when I bring it, because listen, I'm gonna be bringing you guys all such ways to make money online. You're gonna be like, damn, man, this dude really going all about just to help us make money? Yes, because listen, man, that's just me. I just love to see people basically put away their 9 to 5 and just able to live the life they want to live. Because listen, you working at your 9 to 5, you don't have time for your kids. You don't have time to travel. Listen, man, time is precious. You're basically selling your time for money. And in this world we're living, I don't think people should be selling their time for money, man. You can use that time to basically do things you love. Do things you're basically passionate about. Because listen, you can die at any single time. I'm not trying to basically out here trying to sell you anything, but it is true. Life, you have one life. If you basically don't use it right, don't leave it to its purpose, you're gonna die regretting it. There's this one video I actually watched of Les Brown, where he talks about living life, like basically just living that life you want to live. Don't basically live and live that life of basically not chasing your dreams, not just your goals. And when you die, you basically be like, all those dreams and those goals come after, be like, damn, you didn't actually go out and pursue me. You didn't actually go out there and try to start that business, try to do something you want to do. Now you're in your bed lying down dead. You didn't even do nothing to basically achieve those goals. Go for those goals. Try to reach those goals. Try to grab those goals. So listen, there was a day you said no. But listen, man, I'm not here to preach to y'all. But like, let me get to this. I already told you guys. Let me show you guys how much you guys get paid per sir. Right? It tells you right there. You get up to $30 per person. Now, this right here is fantastic to make money. Now, I'm gonna leave you the link. So make sure you click that link and go sign up. Yeah. So the fourth website right here, as you guys can see, is called Bird. Bird. I've actually seen the ad everywhere on Facebook, man. They just blasting ads out there. They just spending all the amount of money just to get people to try it. Same thing. It's same thing like Lime. Lime is same thing like Bird. They basically it's a scooter company. Basically, you charge up a scooter, you get paid. That's how easy it is for you to basically make money. Now listen, they also have an app. It's right there. Download the app, put it on your phone. Basically get alerts when there's a scooter to pick up around your area. You go pick it up, and that's a good thing about it. You don't have to be driving hours. It basically tells you when a scooter is nearby, so you can basically go out there and go get it. It may be like maybe one mile, maybe some walk. Maybe you can't even walk and go get the scooter and charge it. That's how easy it is to make money, man. So basically get this app and basically just shut up scooters and make money. Now the fifth way to make money online. You guys know, people nowadays, there's a lot of businesses out there. A lot of business. It could be whatever niche you're in. Network marketing, affiliate marketing, econ. And I hear my econ. I'm not talking about my econ. I'm talking about what's this actually called? Drop shipping. I was trying to say drop shipping, all that, body fitness, all that, man. All those niches, they actually need leads. They actually need people to see their business, see what they offer. Now listen, man. Let me just tell you guys this, man. What if you can promote a tool that can basically help them get leads on a daily basis on Facebook? On a daily basis, you promote those tools to them, and they basically, when they buy the tool, you basically get paid. That's how easy it is for you to basically make money with this tool I'm about to offer to you guys. I'm not gonna offer it to you guys because It's just something you got to think about. Listen, man. We know businesses. Every business out there need traffic. They need leads. They need people to basically see their product, see their service, see what they're offering. Now, this tool right here is called Simple Social Tool. Let me click on it. Let me see right there. It basically send invites. Let me just say you have 20,000 likes on a picture on your Facebook page. You can send invites to those people so they can like your page. You can add up to 1,000 people a day on Facebook. Now that's not cool for you to basically get up to 1,000. All right, let me show you guys how cool this tool is. See right here. Let me just say I'm gonna find a picture of you see right here. I find a network marketer, and if I'm into a network marketing, I'm basically gonna target this dude right here, Eric Lure. And look at my Roy is actually a good network marketer. He's been in the industry for a while now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find a picture of him, and I'm gonna do is this. Let me show you guys something. See, I'm gonna find a picture of him, and I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna send those people friend requests with this tool. That's how cool this tool is. This tool is basically for anybody out there who basically struggling to get leads, struggling to get traffic, because you need traffic to be going every single day in your business. I know my computer is taking forever to basically start up. But guys, you see, it's about to load up. But guys, let me just tell you guys, man. It's basically, and I'm gonna leave all the link down below. So make sure you comment, subscribe, and also share this video. Let me show you guys how it works. So I'll show you guys how it works. So basically, what it does is this. Let me just. I want to add all these people, right? So I'm gonna just do 5. We're gonna do 10 seconds. You wanna do 10 seconds or less? So we're gonna do 5, just 5 people. As you guys see right here, start. And what you're just gonna do is this. It's basically gonna send out 5 short friend requests to all these people. These people are targeted because these people, they know about network marketing, they know about anything that has to do with make money online or anything of that sort. So what he's gonna do, look at it. It's already sent out friend requests. Now listen, this is gonna do everything for me. You don't have to touch it. You don't have to do anything. It does everything automatic. So that's a good thing about this tool. Now, if it says we recommend sending friend requests to all the people you know, listen, it's gonna basically cancel those people. It's gonna do it automatically, so you don't have to basically be sending spending countless hours sending people friend requests and it got canceled. And the thing about this tool, your account will never get blocked. I've used this tool for almost 6-7 months now. I never get blocked. That's basically how easy it is, and I'm able to grow most of my pages using this tool too. This tool is amazing, man. I see it right here. It's already sent out to 5. Sent out to 5. Now it's gonna tell you successfully sent out how many friend requests is successfully sent out. But guys, if you guys see sent out one friend request, that's actually good. Guys, listen, man. I'm gonna leave all the link below, so make sure you check it out. Make sure you just like and comment on this video. If you're getting some value, if you like what I'm bringing out to you guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna see you guys next time, and don't forget to think like a millionaire, act broke, as I always say, man. Till next time, have a good, wonderful day. And always stay blessed, man. Life is too short not to stay blessed. Have a good nice one. See you. I'm out of here. Peace.